Hi everyone. One of the biggest concern everyone have is if you've taken the gap year. मैंने खुद गैप ईयर लिया था एंड ट्रस्ट मी वेरी वेरी स्केरी। रात को नींद नहीं आती थी यार। कल को इंटरव्यू में ये क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया तो क्या हो गया कि गैप ईयर क्यों लिया, गैप ईयर में क्या किया। सो वी हैव विद अस टुडे वंशिता Gupta, who have taken the gap year as well, and she converted around 15 calls. So, Vanshita, welcome on board, and we'll talk about your story as well, how you prepared this and that. Main focus we want to put on the gap year. That's on the screen. I can show you the main word gap. तो पहले तो मेरे को ये बताओ, were you tensed about your interviews that you have a gap year?
Uh, Honestly, sir, in the starting, when I was deciding whether to take the gap year or not, uh, I I was a bit nervous and I was confused and even scared. But ultimately, there were things in my CVs I knew I can talk about, and there was a reason for it. And when I talked with like my sister, who has also given CAT before, and when I had a word with some of my mentors, so ultimately I got to know that gap year is not that a big deal if you're able to tell the reason properly. Just be
If you're
honest.
able to justify exactly, and this is
Exactly.
what we're going to do today with your help. We want to justify कि भाई answer क्या दे. There is no right or wrong answer. You will not be rejected based on a gap year. In fact, in every MBA college, including IIM Ahmedabad, almost 20% people are there with a gap year. ठीक है, तो तुम अकेले नहीं हो, 100 बच्चा और होने वाला है who have taken the gap year, including her and me as well. I quit my job and prepare for that. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? This is something which you might have done. So I've created two things. Something which are important, good to have. Something we can do now as well. तो दो पार्ट में मैंने इसको किया ब्रेक. इफ यू हैव अ गुड एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड, देखो भाई, ईमानदारी सबसे बेस्ट चीज होती है. बिंदास बोलो कि सर मैंने एमबीए के लिए जॉब छोड़ा बिकॉज आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. जॉब लिया नहीं, जॉब मिला नहीं, नहीं बोलना है कभी भी. सर मेरे को जॉब नहीं मिला, क्या करूं? आगे एमबीए करें? नहीं, जॉब मिला नहीं, जॉब लिया नहीं, बहुत फर्क है. गर्लफ्रेंड ने मेरे को छोड़ा, मैंने गर्लफ्रेंड को छोड़ा, बहुत फर्क पड़ता है भाई. तो हमेशा अगली बार जब भी किसी गर्लफ्रेंड, पॉसिबल गर्लफ्रेंड से बात करो तो यही बोलो पहले कि मैंने उसको छोड़ दिया. ये मत बोलना वो भी छोड़ गई, उससे पहली वाली भी छोड़ गई, सब मुझे क्यों छोड़ जाती है. तो ये सब नहीं बोलना है. सो नंबर वन वी कैन डू दैट कि आई wanted to prepare for that. Sports, if you've done any kind of a state level, national level, is all in during this gap year we're talking about. If you have organized any event, if you have any work ex related, कि मेरा जॉब, मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया था बट आई वाज स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन इन अनऑफिशियल वे, या आई हैव डन सम इंटर्नशिप. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें हमें करनी है. अवॉइड एनी रेफरेंस टू एनी नेगेटिव थिंग्स कि मैं सर रात रात को नींद नहीं आती थी, ये नहीं होता था, वो सब हम अवॉइड करने वाले हैं. सो दीज आर द समथिंग विच यू हैव डन और समथिंग वी कैन डू. वंशिता, आपने क्या किया था इन दिस गैप ईयर? हाउ डिड यू जस्टिफाई द गैप ईयर?
Okay, so sir, first I was honest. I clearly told them that my percentile was not up to my expectation, and I knew that I can do better. So that's why I took a gap year. And apart from that, I always wanted to try out content writing. And during the gap year, see, you can study for CAT. If you properly study for 6 hours, it's good to go. So I used to give 6 to 8 hours for CAT, and then I started content writing on LinkedIn. Like even currently I have almost 15K followers there.
वाओ, फॉर
So
योरसेल्फ मतलब एज अ प्राइवेटली और यू शुड राइट फॉर
yeah,
सम अदर ऑन योर ओन? ठीक है, ओके.
on my personal account. So that was a point that even helped me in differentiating myself from the other pool of candidates that came for the interview with me or on the
करेक्ट,
same day.
करेक्ट.
So, and I had a reason for that too. So like, yeah, when I used to give my intro, I used to build a story around it. That since childhood, I've loved to tell stories and I've loved to convey tales. And LinkedIn became a platform for me. And further, as my inclination was towards marketing itself, so I got one more point to add on to it, because content writing is something, given the digital world we are going into, that is something that is a good skill to have. So I got one more point. So what you can do is, or what can be my suggestion for you can is, find your interests and do some internships, life project, or you can join NGOs too. Because ultimately, what, see how you can put it out. You can put it out ki you used to study for 8 hours and we have 24 hours in a day. So you didn't want to waste time and you want to explore more. Or you can also say you have done internship in marketing or in HR or in finance. Now you can tell them that I wanted to know where my interest lies. So that's why I explored along with my gap year and I didn't waste it.
करेक्ट।
So
अभी
there are
बस पंगा, आई एम सॉरी टू कट इन, द पंगा बस ये है हमारे पास टाइम कम है, क्योंकि बच्चों का भी इंटरव्यू इज देयर विद इन 1 मंथ। तो 1 मंथ में आप क्या
yes.
कर सकते हो? आई हैव मेड अ लिस्ट ऑफ दैट दिस थिंग एज वेल, सो दिस इज समथिंग आई कैन डू नाउ। नंबर वन, आई कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन online events. A lot of colleges are conducting, even in fact your college, I'm Rohtak is also conducting one event, and we have tied up with them. Every participant will get a certificate. ठीक है, तो ऐसे 2 सर्टिफिकेट आपके पास होने चाहिए। ओके, सो देन वी कैन जस्टिफाई द गैप कि हाँ मैं खाली नहीं बैठा था, along with my studies I used to do all these things because this question is going to come कि क्या करते थे। अगर तो आप बोलते हैं सर मैं 14-14 घंटे पढ़ता था, तो भाई फिर तुमने टॉप क्यों नहीं किया? एनीवन स्टडिंग फॉर 6-8 hours, सॉरी 14-16 hours एवरी डे, ही शुड टॉप। और अगर तुम बोलते 4 4 घंटे पढ़ते थे, तो भाई बाकी टाइम क्या करते थे? 24 घंटे में से 20 घंटे क्या करते थे? सो नंबर वन, पार्टिसिपेशन। नंबर टू, इफ यू कैन गेट इन टच विद एनजीओ, आपको बस एनजीओ को, किसी भी एनजीओ आपके घर के आजू बाजू है, यू हैव टू स्पॉन्सर देम अगर आपको कर सकते हो तो। अदरवाइज जस्ट आस्क देम, यू कैन हेल्प देम एनीवे एंड गेट अ ईमेल सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम देम। दैट प्रूफ इज इंपॉर्टेंट। Number three is we can do certification. There are a lot of certification. There will be in finance, marketing. We can do all these things अच्छे से. Training and courses we can do, or any project or internship you can do. ठीक है, अगर आपका डैड कोई है, लाइक अनिकेत ने बोला उसका आई एम इंदौर का इंटरव्यू इन 15 days, तो अनिकेत, डैड अगर आपके की प्राइवेट कंपनी में काम करते हो, डैड से एक ईमेल लिखवा लो बस कि दिस गाय वाज वर्किंग ऑन दिस एंड दिस इंटर्नशिप, स्टडी प्रोजेक्ट। ऐसा नहीं कि तुमने बहुत बड़ा काम किया, तुमने बस स्टडी किया था। सो ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग विल हेल्प यू टू फिल द गैप। जो सच है वो सच है, हमने पढ़ाई के लिए गैप लिया और वही बोलना है वहां पे। जॉब नहीं मिला इसके लिए गैप ले लिया, गैप आ गया तो घर बैठे थे तो एमबी की तैयारी, ये सब नहीं बोलना है। मैंने इंटेंशनली हैव टू लिया। अनिकेत का फैमिली बिजनेस है तो इवन बेटर यार, शो ना फैमिली बिजनेस, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग। फैमिली बिजनेस वाले स्टूडेंट माइट नॉट गेट द एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स इन द इंटरव्यू, जो आपको ना जो 5 नंबर एक्स्ट्रा जो देते हैं वो आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, बट दैट विल हेल्प यू, ट्रस्ट मी, दैट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस विल हेल्प यू। या सॉरी, यू कैरी ऑन प्लीज।
Yes, sir. So I just wanted to say, if you have a family business, you can play on the part of business acumen. So if
एग्जैक्टली,
you have your father or your family members, you can say that you have developed that business acumen, or you can say that, say you took your family business to an online platform. So again, marketing part.
करेक्ट।
So that's how you can play around.
You can cover that gap. And in your in these 15 interviews, कहीं पे आपको उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा तंग किया था कि रिगार्डिंग योर वर्क, रिगार्डिंग योर टेकिंग अ ईयर ड्रॉप? डिड एनी ऑफ द कॉलेजेस
Uh,
एनी
n-
प्रॉब्लम?
no, sir. Like, taking a gap year was not a major question they asked, because they were more interested into the skill set that I bring and why I want to do an
एग्जैक्टली,
MBA
एग्जैक्टly जो हम सब इतनी बड़ी टेंशन
and
लेके बैठे
why
हैं वो
I'm not
इम्पोर्टेंट ही नहीं
taking
है।
work rate. So
करेक्ट, हाँ सॉरी, या प्लीज।
exactly. But ultimately they wanted to know the mindset for which I'm doing an MBA, whether I'm following a herd, or I'm coming from a herd mentality, or I have a vision for doing an MBA or a reason for doing an MBA.
करेक्ट,
So again, if you can justify that part, you'll be good to go.
correct, correct. So that the justification is very important. So make your answer for why MBA, of course, and why gap year का आंसर भी आपके पास तैयार होना चाहिए कि सर I've taken the gap year for studies, but along with that I was doing this. Okay, during your interviews, did you face any kind of any joke or some kind of a incident which happened? Any funny story you want to share with us?
Okay. Yeah, so there was this one college I appeared for, and like I was waiting outside the room, outside the door, and when the guy came, I just asked abruptly, "How was your interview experience?" In the interview, he heard that. So as soon as I entered, they said, "Okay, तो क्या पता है हम क्या क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे सबसे पहले?" I also said कि sir, you are gonna ask about my introduction, because that's a generic question. So throughout my whole interview, they didn't ask me that question.
Okay.
And again, like the professor who was taking the interview, he was also into LinkedIn. He also post regularly on LinkedIn, and at that time even I used to post regularly. So he asked me about that कि LinkedIn पे कैसे देखते हैं, तो अगर तुमने पोस्ट डाली तो तुम क्या क्या मेट्रिक्स से देखोगे. So he was basically checking whether I'm just saying it for the sake of saying it, or I'm actually into
Actually
it,
done that,
because
right.
I obviously said some things कि मैं content कैसे plan करती हूँ, कैसे analyze करती हूँ. So he was checking my technical part with his questions.
Correct,
So
correct,
again, there can be basically there have been interviews.
correct.
Even in a majority of the interviews, I have always cracked that ice by putting out jokes. Say for one instance, I am weak in maths. I didn't had maths in 11th and 12th. So they asked me, and I said it to them. So they asked me, कि we'll have quantitative methods as a subject. How are you gonna handle that? So उस पे हमारी बात हो रही थी. Then a sir said कि हमारे टाइम पे तो ऐसे ऐसे मैथ्स होता था. तो एंड देन आई पुट अ क्वेश्चन अगेन कि सर अच्छा हमारे टाइम पे तो नहीं होता था. एंड देन मैम सेड कि वापस ट्रैक पे आ जाओ, इंटरव्यू चल रहा है अभी तुम्हारे, ये बातें बाद में करना. तो it's just very chill. You just need to be who you are, because they're not gonna judge you on a specific metrics or something. It's who you are, and if they'll feel that you are doing an MBA for genuinely doing it, and if you will add value to their institute, so
Correct,
you are gonna get selected.
correct, correct, correct. So let's talk about your IIM Rohtak interview experience, how it went, the
Okay.
complete process. For the so I want everyone to imagine now you are going for the interview. So close your eyes. Imagine, just walk us through what how it happened, how what were you feeling, how the things went.
Okay, so it was I my reporting time was around 8 or 8:40. I can't recall the proper timing. So I came from the main door and it was all greenery. And so first thought that came to my mind is, यहाँ पे तो अगले साल मैं होंगी और जूनियर्स आएंगे और मैं उनको देखूंगी. So that's a sort of manifestation which I did for myself. And then we had to wait because my number was 11. So 10 interviews were scheduled before me. So when I went, first, the rule asked to sit, until unless they asked you to sit, don't sit. So I was standing, then they asked me to sit, then they asked me about my undergrad, my favorite subject. Now there was one more thing. I always used to say ki economics is my favorite subject, but I didn't study it in my undergrad. So they cross question on that. I had answer prepared for that because I knew this is a question that they are gonna ask from me if they notice my subjects in my undergrad report card. Right. So after this, they give me one extempore question or the topic. Then I talked about that.
Example is
Now,
part of the interview, right? It's a part of the
yes,
interview.
it was part of the interview. Now, when you're giving your 2 minute extempore, so just keep in mind कि you are not exceeding the time, because that's a place you will get a minus point, right? Now, because that shows your time management, right? And after that, again, they asked me some cross questions, and the questions were not specific to a thing. It was about my resume, about the field I'm interested in, about the subjects, why BCom, why MBA, the state I belong to, about current affairs, and many more. It was the interview around a lot of things, not just a single thing. So again, like, and yes, I'm Rohtak was my first interview I appeared for. So at that time, though, I was studying. It was on 13th Feb. So I was studying already from like result came in December end. So I was studying
Correct.
throughout. So yeah, so basically just prepare as many topics as you can, because there is no end to what all you can prepare for. There can be most random questions to the most expected ones. You just
Correct.
don't know. And if you don't know answer to any, just say, sorry sir, I don't know. And then they may say कि ये कैसे नहीं पता तुम्हें. So just accept the fact, sir, I was not able to, or maybe I missed it out, but I'll surely gonna read it after I
Correct. Perfect.
go
Perfect.
after I go.
Perfect. And VAT, for the VAT, there was a VAT or GD?
So there was no VAT, no GD for I'm Rohtak. It was interview and the extempore during my time.
Perfect. No VAT, no GD.
No.
ओके परफेक्ट. लास्ट ईयर नहीं हुआ था, इस बार का प्रोसेस एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा. सो वी हैव टू सी दैट. सो वैट अपने माइट हैव टेकन द वैट इन वेरियस कॉलेजेस एज वेल. कभी आपको ये डर लगा कि यार व्हाट इफ आई डोंट नो द टॉपिक ऑफ द वैट, तो क्या करने का है?
सर ऑनेस्टली, जितना मतलब मैंने एज आई डिड द सेल्फ स्टडी जीडीपीआई के लिए, फिर भी आई टुक कोचिंग फ्रॉम बेसिकली जीडीपीआई कोर्स फ्रॉम एन
विल
इंस्टीट्यूट.
नॉट, हाँ टेक द
बट
नेम. या
सॉरी.
या टेल मी सॉरी. एंड
या
गाइस इफ यू हैव एनी
सो
क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क अस एज वी गो अलोंग.
yeah.
हाँ.
So, where was I? For that, yeah. So, see, always they try to keep the topic that majority of the people will know, right? And it would be general topic, because ultimately they want to know your opinion and how you put out your thoughts, the flow of it, right? And even if you don't know it, what you can do is see. एक ना स्टार सिचुएशन होती है और बहुत सारे ऐसे फॉर्मेट्स होते हैं, वो फॉर्मेट्स करके जाओ. एंड अपेरेंटली व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, अगर नहीं पता है टॉपिक, राइट, थोड़ा ब्रॉड से लेके थोड़ा सा एक अपना व्यू पॉइंट बनाने का कोशिश करो. एंड इफ यू आर मेकिंग सम assumptions, mention them separately. So ultimately they'll know कि okay, you might not be that much aware, but you have a clear thought process and you are able to make them understand that. Because see, the reason, what I think the reason for VAT is being conducted is how you're able to convey your thoughts, how well you are able to write, and how well you're able to comprehend your thoughts on that piece of paper, right? So
Correct,
these are the certain things they're looking for. They know that no one knows everything.
correct, correct,
So
correct.
yeah.
That's. We have a couple of questions coming up as well, sir. Is I am Rohtak? That's a challenging question for you. Is I am Rohtak open to males as well or only female?
Sir, it is open to males. I have friends who have joined in PGP itself, basically for the MBA course. So, it is open to
It's
all. It's
open for
just,
everyone. Of course, the
yes,
male to female ratio is थोड़ा large in I am Rohtak, but otherwise the males है ना वहाँ पे भी यार. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि
obviously,
नहीं है, वहाँ पे है.
yes, sir.
तो
And even the ratio, like the post that went viral, the ratio is not that large.
correct, correct.
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा रिवर्स्ड है, बट ऐसे बहुत ज्यादा गैप
बहुत
नहीं
ज्यादा
है.
gap नहीं है. True, true.
एग्जैक्टली.
Correct, correct, correct. And second question we have is I am Rohtak versus I am Ranchi versus I am Raipur. भाई ये कंपैरिजन करना छोड़ दो, पहले कन्वर्ट करो. हर्ष, मैं जो बोलता ना जो मिल जाए भाई वही बहुत बढ़िया है. पहले तो वंस यू कन्वर्ट देन वी विल से किसी की क्या करना है कहाँ नहीं जाना है.
सर
दैट्स
आई
व्हाट
कन्वर्टेड ऑल थ्री ऑफ देम.
ऑल इक्वली गुड यार. मैं मेरे ख्याल से सबका इक्वली गुड ही है, तो तुम्हारा ही प्रेफर को देखना है.
It
एंड मोस्ट
ultimately
ऑफ द
depends on, just I want to add one line to this. It depends on the different point of view you have and the different criteria that you have in your mind. Like apart from because these three IIMs are performing almost same. कभी एक साल कोई ऊपर होता है, दूसरे साल कोई होता है, तीसरे साल कोई होता है, राइट? सो इट विल डिपेंड ऑन other criteria too. Like Rohtak was in Delhi NCR and I'm from Rajasthan. So that was also one of the reason why I chose Rohtak. I was inclined towards marketing. Rohtak mein 60% of the batch is from marketing. It gets placed in marketing. So one more reason why I went ahead with I'm Rohtak. So ऐसे मतलब अपने क्राइटेरियाज होते हैं, उनके बेसिस पे भी फर्दर डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं. लाइक दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड.
perfect, perfect, perfect. Gautam का question है. I gave a mock interview and the feedback was my speed is very fast.
ओके.
So any tips to improve that? Gautam, and advice to everyone, भाई एक इंटरव्यू आपको प्लीज कैमरे में देना है. Just put up your camera in front of you and record yourself and then see it. You will see 50% improvement in yourself in one interview. एक बस करना है. ठीक है, अपने आप को देखो पहले यार, कितने अटक रहे हो तुम, क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं कर रहे हो, स्पीड तेज. मे बी इट्स बिकॉज योर कॉम स्किल्स आर गुड, मे बी दैट्स बिकॉज दैट, मे बी यू आर वेरी नर्वस. So during nervous, either people become very slow or people become very fast. Like even today in your interview as well, I can see that when we started, you were a little fumbling, you were a little nervous, of course, because you're not used to all these kind of Zoom session and all. But now you're very confident because everything is going in the flow. So that's happened to everyone. We are all human beings, so it's all part of the job. I am not in the good school, low percentile, quality, blah blah blah. Passed on 2024, 10 years of experience in NGO. Have it is showable. My question is, can I go for the internship now? आई एम गोइंग फॉर कैट 25. सो हम बिल्कुल बिल्कुल करो यार, जितना इंटर्नशिप कर सकते हो करो भाई. कौन सी चीज कब काम आ जाए कुछ नहीं पता, राइट? तो आप प्लीज करके जाओ. अच्छा, अप्लाई फॉर आईटी बॉम्बे. हर्ष, बिल्कुल अप्लाई करो, बिल्कुल अप्लाई करो. Okay, last 5 minutes, Vanshika, I want to talk about your CAT preparation also.